Hello, Pearl. How are you? I have a Generac One wash 3100 PSI pressure washer that won't start. I checked for spark and it's good. Installed a new plug anyway. Changed oil. Removed carb and cleaned. Drained fuel and installed new fresh gas. Still will not turn over. Low water light keeps double flashing. I cleaned the inlet screen, which was basically spot free. I am at a loss.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
I have fresh 93 octane fuel in the machine. I can't find any kind of fuel shut-off valve and the manual doesn't show one.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If I can, I'd prefer to.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Are you still there, Pearl?
No. I'm the small engine technician's assistant.
So do you have any recommendations?
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the small engine technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Try spraying fuel into carb or cylinder directly and see if it will start. If so, clean carb. If not, let me know please.
I took the carb out and cleaned it thoroughly with spray carb cleaner. I took a twist tie wire and cleaned all of the small tubes, holes and vents. I replaced the spark plug. I've sprayed fuel in the carb 3 times without success other than a backfire.
If you are getting backfire, check coil. Backfire is a timing issue normally. ReGap coil with a business card between it and flywheel.
Still no success. Here is what I have done so far. Changed the oil, new spark plug, drained fuel and replaced with new 93 octane, ReGap the coil. Sprayed fuel directly into the carb. No success with any of these so far. I keep getting a blinking light that indicates low water. I know this is crap because the hose has plenty of pressure. So I'm not sure what to try next. I forgot to add that I removed the carb and thoroughly cleaned that as well as all of the ports. It was very clean to begin with.
If you are spraying fuel directly into carb and get nothing, you do not have proper fire/timing or compression. I will OPT out if you would like so another expert can possibly help you in this matter. If you have fuel in the cylinder, and still nothing, you are either missing proper fire or compression. What is the compression of the machine?
I have no idea what the compression is. I'm not a mechanic, that is why I'm talking to you.
I have no way of telling you what compression is by computer. You would need to insert a tester in cylinder and turn motor over 3 to 5 times. If you are pulling starter and it doesn't turn engine over, but you can turn engine over by hand, I would say you have an issue with your starter. Does your starter have starter dogs, plastic or metal pieces, that come out when rope is pulled? Biggest thing is, if you have low compression, nothing can be done to repair a machine other than new piston and cylinder. I am thinking it is a starter issue though. Sign you can turn engine over manually.
Thanks, I guess we're done then. Now I can take it to the repair guy.
Sorry, I am unable to assist you further. Hope you have a good holiday.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.